Hey everyone, welcome back to the best channel on YouTube for vocabulary. And my dear friends, we are on a series of 5 videos जिसमें मैं बात कर रहा हूं the words which and with OUS. So we have already done 3 videos और आपने वो देख ली होंगी. This is the 4th video of that series. And I'm going to tell you 4 words जो end होते हैं OUS से. देखिए my dear friends, vocabulary बहुत ही एक important part है किसी भी भाषा का. If you want to master the art of communication in any language, vocabulary उसके लिए building blocks का काम करती है. So you must learn good vocabulary. Well, let us begin with the words. So आज का जो पहला word है that is rapacious. As you can see on the screen, rapacious इसका मतलब होता है very greedy, जो बहुत लालची होते हैं. ये भी चाहिए, उनके पास ऑलरेडी बहुत है पर they still want more and more and more, तो उनको हम बोलते हैं rapacious. इसका एक सिनोनिम मैं आपको बताता हूं, that is insatiable. insatiable जिनकी जो भूख है किसी चीज को पाने की वो कभी खत्म ही ना हो, दे वॉन्ट मोर एंड मोर एंड मोर, सो वो होता है insatiable. और इसका एंटोनिम है generous, जो आर हैप्पी विद व्हाट दे हैव एंड दे डोंट लाइक आर हंग्री, दे आर नॉट हंग्री एनी मोर फॉर थिंग्स, दे लाइक गिविंग इन फैक्ट, सो उनको हम बोलते हैं generous. दैट्स द एंटोनिम. वेल गाइज, एक सेंटेंस इसके साथ हम बनाते हैं. द rapacious nature of humans has badly destroyed the mother nature. So as you can see, this word has been beautifully used. Okay, now you also try to frame one sentence with it and you may write that in the comment section. Well, let's go for the second word of the day. Second word है nefarious. Now nefarious कौन होता है? जो criminal है, immoral है. The meaning of this word is criminal or immoral. Yes, come on मेरे साथ कहो. The meaning of nefarious is what? Criminal and immoral. यानी कि जो पाप से भरा हुआ है, somebody who does crime, who makes sin, so उसको हम बोलते हैं nefarious. इसका एक synonym है that you can see on the screen, sinful. और इसका एक antonym है admirable. Somebody who is admired, that is the antonym. Now एक sentence देखते हैं. We need to be careful while using internet as it might serve us with many nefarious websites. So you can see the sentence, the word has been beautifully used in it. Let us go for the third word of this video today, that is dubious. As you can see on the screen, dubious. Come on, बोलो मेरे साथ, dubious. Yes, अगर आप लिखते रहे चल रहे हैं, so that's very nice. Dubious. So dubious का मीनिंग क्या होता है? When you're not sure about something, when you're not certain about it, right? You're not sure, you're not certain about it, so you are dubious. मतलब आप पक्का नहीं है, निश्चित नहीं है कि ये काम होगा नहीं होगा, मीन्स आप श्योर नहीं है उस चीज के बारे में, so you are dubious about it. इसका एक सिनोनिम है doubtful और इसका एंटोनिम है clear. When you are clear about it, so that is the antonym, means opposite word of dubious. अच्छा, इसका एक सेंटेंस देखते हैं. If you are dubious about what you are doing, take a feedback from someone expert in that, right? अगर आप जो काम कर रहे हैं, you're not sure about it, whether you are doing it right or wrong, so take a feedback about that. Now आज का last word, that is onerous. O-N-E-R-O-U-S, onerous. Onerous का मतलब होता है difficult and something which needs a lot of effort, है ना, जिसके लिए आपको बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़े, सो दैट इज ऑनरस. अच्छा, इसका एक सिनोनिम मैं बता देता हूं, दैट इज इनकन्वीनियंट. इनकन्वीनियंट, दैट इज द सिनोनिम. एंड एंटोनिम इज एफर्टलेस, जिसे करने में कोई एफर्ट ना लगे, एफर्टलेस. इसका एक सेंटेंस बताता हूं. स्पीकिंग इन इंग्लिश इज नॉट ऑनरस एनी मोर. Yes, my dear friends, speaking in English is not onerous anymore. तो हमने कौन कौन से 4 words किए आप स्क्रीन पर देख सकते हैं. First is rapacious, meaning आपको पता होना चाहिए because you've written it. अभी नहीं पता है, so then you can watch it again. Second is nefarious. Third is dubious. And fourth is onerous. So these are the 4 words of the day. So my dear friends, these were the 4 words that we did today, and I hope now you will frame sentences. देखिए, जब तक आप sentence खुद से frame नहीं करेंगे, trust me, consider that you don't know those words. Because जब तक आपके like you know the word, but आप उसको sentence में use नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, it means you do not know that. Consider it. You don't know that because you cannot use it. Alright, well, that's all from today's video. Now I'll come with the 5th and the last video of this series. Thank you everyone. Keep working on your vocabulary and be with us. Bye. Take care.